All right, so today we got a new project for you. We're actually starting on a remodel for an old farmhouse, but we're not in the house yet. We'll show you what we're doing today. We're actually got the tractor behind us and we're doing a little bit of digging, so let's get going. Hey everyone, hey, Brian Freeman here. Hey, before we get going here, I want to show you a new guy. He's a new member of the team here. This is Mac, like a Mac truck. So, can you look over there, buddy? Hey, look right there. There he is. He's 5 months old. He's a Great Pyrenees, and he is about 65 pounds. I think his dad was 180 pounds, so he is on the way to being a big boy. So this is Mac. I wanted to introduce you to him, and we're going to go ahead and take a look now at what's going on out here. So on this project, this property was purchased, and there was an issue with the irrigation line. So the irrigation line had a pressurized irrigation system, and it was about was it a 4-inch line? A 4-inch pressurized line that was hooked up to an actual pump that's almost like, I don't know, like back over this way. It was literally like half and maybe a mile away from here. Okay, so way away. And then the owner next door put this pond in that we'll walk over and we'll see. And that pond, when he put it in, the guys that were grading it broke the line and tore it out. So now there's no irrigation water down on this property. So this is a 5-acre piece of property with irrigation rights. So what we started today was we started the process of digging and actually retying this back in so we can get pressurized irrigation. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around here, and I wanna show you kind of what's going on. So let's go ahead and we'll get up and start taking a look. Let's take a look here. This is the line that where it got broke off. So you can see this here. This is irrigation line, and jump down here in the trench, you can see the end of it here. It's got a bunch of dirt all shoved up inside of it, so that's all gonna have to get blown out. So another thing I wanted to show you is I wanted to actually show you the irrigation pipe. So this is the pressurized irrigation pipe that you're seeing here, and this is 4-inch inside diameter pipe, and you can see it's kind of a turquoise color. And then on the ends where you have your couplers, these actually push together, they don't glue together. So you can see here it's got like a black gasket, and this has all been out in the sun for a long time, so it's just kind of sun rotted and that. But you can see that you'd actually put some oil in here, and then you push these together, and they go together really quick, so you can string together a pretty good run pretty quick. Then you just glue together your fittings on the ends. So, but this is what we're going to be putting in the ground, some brand new material. It's about 300 feet that's running on down the other neighbor's property. There's Mac. He's having fun. He likes these dirt piles. He plays in and digs in them. There he is. Oh, there he comes. Come here, Mac. And Mac is in the ditch. There he goes. Mac. He's the first picture back. Here's Mac. Mac, you walk in the ditch, man. The tractor that we got is a Massey Ferguson, I think it's 2005. Got a little backhoe attachment on it. Got Nathan in here, he's running that thing today. This little farm tractor we had out here, so it ended up working out to dig with this. See a little 1-foot bucket on here. So let's get his stabilizers down, and then he starts to dig. All right, so let's check in with Nathan, see how things are going today. How things going, Nathan?
Pretty good, pretty steady.
Pretty good, yeah?
Yep.
Right on. When do you think you'll be done?
Tomorrow. Time.
Maybe tomorrow?
Yep.
Cool. So you like running this thing?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Cool, right on.
Yep.
Doing a good job.
Thank you.
So there's about 300 feet that's got to get dug here. Should have this done tomorrow. And then pipe will get picked up, and then we'll actually throw it in here, get it connected up, and then we're going to go ahead and get the lines pressurized, and then we'll test it. They're going to be shutting this water off. It's going to be getting cold and freezing here. So you got to make sure that that's shut off, and sooner or later going to be off, but kind of the first week in October is about the timeline when it gets shut off. So we got about till then to get her done. We took a paint can here and we actually just put this on, mark this out on the ground, and then the connecting point is actually out. It's way, out over that side there. This is the pond down below us where that line was at originally. So we'll walk over and show you a couple other things over here. So in order to actually figure out the depth of our trench, what we ended up doing was we ended up taking these caps off of these risers. So this is the original pipe that was in here for the pressurized irrigation system. So we took this and we went ahead and ran our tape down in here, and these things are about 3 foot 1. I think is what they came out to be, about 3 foot 1. And that gives us our bottom of our trench. And then we added about another inch just because of the thickness of the pipe and that. And then that gave us the depth that we needed to actually dig the trench and get the full cover that we need on top of the pipe.